A large number of aspirants took to streets across the illegally occupied region of Gilgit-Baltistan and Pakistan's capital Islamabad against the government's call of not rescheduling the Central Superior Services or CSS exam date. The protest, which was primarily led by aspirants from Gilgit-Baltistan, highlighted a concocted Islamabad plan at play to minimize the success rate of students from the already marginalized region. The CSS exam is responsible for producing the top bureaucratic class of Pakistan. But Islamabad, with its discriminatory policies towards the natives of the region, has tried every tool in its kit to prevent them from joining these services. Just a few months before the exam, not only did they change the major portion of the syllabus, but also did not make any changes to the date of the exam. This has left the aspirants furious. They accused the authorities of compromising with the leadership in order to provide benefits to the children of the elite class of Pakistan.
इसमें ना सिर्फ हम हैं, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स हैं, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स जो अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, 90% ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स जो अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, मिनिमम 10% कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो इससे फ़ायदेमंद हो रहे हैं। कुछ मखसूस तबका है जिनको फ़ायदा पहुँचाने के लिए ये सिलेबस सडनली सारा चेंज कर दिया गया, हालांकि पुराने और नए सिलेबस में बहुत सारी चेंजेस है।
While the temperature conditions are moderate in Islamabad and other neighboring regions in the month of scheduled exam month of February, the mercury dips below -15 degrees Celsius in the mountainous Gilgit-Baltistan. Aspirants argue that it would be nearly impossible for them to take the exam in such harsh weather. They blame the authorities for deliberately marking the calendar in such a manner that students from Gilgit-Baltistan are unable to score decent marks in the marathon 6-hour exam. They also attacked the government for being apathetic to the preparation conditions in the region. They said the government had done nothing to provide them relief when it comes to load shedding. In fact, it has increased in the past few months.
गिलगित जैसे आपको पता है गिलगित का टेम्परेचर बहुत हार्श टेम्परेचर होता है। स्कार्दू में -16 प्रेडिक्टेड है 1 दिसंबर को और गिलगित में -4 प्रेडिक्टेड है। तो -16 में कोई पेपर नहीं लिख सकता, ये क्लियर बात है। 6 घंटे पेपर लिखो, उंगलियां टूट जाएंगी एंड पे। उसके बाद दूसरा मसला लाइट का है। गिलगित में लाइट होती नहीं है, लाइट के बगैर गरीब कैंडिडेट तैयारी कैसे करेगा, ये भी तो एक बहुत बड़ा सवालिया निशान है।
Students have not been demanding much from the government. They just want the exam date to be deferred by 2 months, which is April instead of February. However, even the loud chorus hasn't affected the government thus far. The students from the region are also deprived of appearing in the exam every year, like in the legitimate parts of Pakistan. The policy has not just exposed the lie-peddling machinery of the country, which keeps on drumming a pro-Kashmir agenda across the world, but has also prompted the aspirants from the region to demand age relaxation in the exam.